simply install 2 AA batteries. Press enter to set the current time and day. To program your unit, press the program button, choose the day you'd like the unit to come on for, or each day. Set the time, say 7 PM. Press enter, choose the day and time you'd like the light to go off. Let's set it for 9 PM. Enter. You can then set as many programs as you like, up to 9 times a day, and that's your timer set. Setting the unit for 1, 2 or 3 gang switches, remove the wheel and place according to the number of gang switches you have. To remove the wheel, simply pull from behind. For a 2 gang switch, place the 2 wheels as indicated by the numbers.